doctor. Where's my doctor?
Video while I bring him up.
Where's my
Good.
doctor? Where's my
Or do you want me to sit? Or...
It's okay. Did the Easter bunny come? Let's see if the Easter bunny came. Go here.
Oh!
Easter bunny came.
The Easter Bunny did come! Come here!
This one is for Joaquin, and this is for
Hold on, let me get behind you.
Bubba. No, get the rest of your stuff. That's fighting.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to fix. Get out of it.
No, that's Percy. What else do you have? Jelly beans.
You see your Thomas shoes?
What else do you
He
have?
gets to put on his Thomas shoes.
No, you can't put them on right now, Bobby. Those are for the new house. For when you're inside the house, you can wear those sandals. Let me see what else you got. What else? Yeah, but that you're not gonna eat that now. Let me see the pop. Show me. Show it to me. Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Javi, what else did you get? Jelly beans. What else did you get? Pull the rest of the stuff out. Hey, pull the rest of the stuff
I'm
out.
gonna go with them.
No, I want you can fix it now.
Just go in there with.
Look, what else did you get?
Go through it with them.
What else? Your bubbles? Where'd they go? What is this?
Oh! What's that, Joaquin? What do you got? Jelly beans. Give mommy a kiss. Give mommy a kiss.
For the Easter bunny.
Give mommy a kiss.
The Easter bunny brought it to you?
Say thank you.
It's a color. Hey, what's this? What's this? Daddy? What's that? A bunny. What else? Who's this? Percy. What else did you get?
Javi, give mommy a kiss. Give mommy a hug and a kiss. Joaquin.
Jelly beans. What else did you get, puppy? Shaman's pajama. What about this? What's this? Cookies. Yeah. What about this? Colors. What about this? You got. Don't break it. This is a card from mommy and daddy. We'll read it later, okay? From abuela and other abuela. Where's your bubble? Stop.
Pop.
Where's your bubbles, Javi? They're right there. You can't open them right now.
No.
Hey, everybody say Happy Easter.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Show Daddy the bunny. We can't open the bubbles right now.
Joaquin.
Show Daddy. Look. Show Daddy your Thomas. You got. Look.
Oh, look at Thomas.
And Percy.
I got it.
You like your shoes? Those are Tommy's shoes. You like them?
No, bit. No, bit.